That was fast as fuck.
Comment tu fais? Non, je sais pas comment.
Mais pas ça.
La bouche, faut pas.
Kæft, mand. Som også skulle meldes.
Man, but I can't.
I got you.
I need like 4 of them. When I first set the challenge, I was like, this is supposed to be a challenge. But 1 pie down. There we go.
Lars, 8 minutter.
Did you ever become a YouTuber?
Moi, je pas comme ça. The taste is starting to make me sick.
You're over there.
My favorite breakfast item. Wonder. Did you just fart? It's a dying. Burrito. Sick of that.
Eu número. Esse é o 7º, então. Agora?
Kan je zo wat drinken?
But could I eat sweets all day?
Tampoco. Mancha amarilla, culiada. No, dice más forma. No puedo decir. No, hermanito, si no es. Pero pedí vuelta. Eso fue un reflujo puto. Tuve que quitar. No, bueno, falta mucha práctica. Buena idea. Sí. Ah. Pero buena.
Alhamdulillah, I'm sorry, excuse me.
I'm sorry, guys.
Better nu. Hold da kæft.
Get down. If this. Excuse me.
Well, you know it's good. Bro, if you can do this with no problem, with nuggets for 20 minutes.